Hey guys, today we're going to be firing up the forge here. We're going to be doing some aluminum casting. First fire up of 2019. So here we go. So, apologize for the noise, but I got my torpedo heater going. But, I got this crucible here. It's pretty big, so it's about 5 inches this way, 7.5 inches tall. So what I'm going to do here is I got this pulley here. And I'm going to take some rods and lay it across here and hammer it in. Nice, gently. This is a little cold, so I'm kind of worried here. It's a little cold. I don't want to crack this thing. But, I'm going to lay it across here. I'm going to make this diameter so I can have a pair of tongs lift this up out of the crucible. Here's the metal right here. This is 3. Tag's ripped off. I believe this is 3/8 rod. Now I have my micrometer, but it looks like it's 3/8. I'm just going to take that, I'm going to bend it so it goes in the scissor pattern. Alright. There you go. I put her in the forge here and I let her fall under her own weight. And the end result, right there. Keep it snowy here and let her cool off.